Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another folio to share with you guys, and this time I was using a hot buy paper pad from Michaels, which is called Plush Peonies. It was actually, I think my second time playing with it. Before I used the 6x6, which I have a bunch of scraps I need to use up still, but I was playing with the 12x12 this time. And it's single-sided paper. So normally when you guys have seen me make these folios, I've been using double-sided paper. This time it's single-sided paper, which is still fine because it still works. You just might need a little bit more paper to get some more different patterns and whatnot. So let me show you guys what I made with the Plush Peonies hot buy paper pad. So let's get started. Alright guys, so my cover looks like this. It says Blossom and Bloom. I have it layered on some gold foil on the back. I did some stitching around it. I love stitching around the covers and making them two different patterns. I've been loving doing that. The sides have this green and it's stitched on. And then the back looks like this. And then there's my little handmade logo down there. So that's what that looks like. And if you guys haven't seen my other videos, I will have the tutorial link down below for how to make this folio. So that's magnetized, and then this opens up like this. You could add a photo here. You could do some journaling on there. And then this opens up as well, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so this opens down and it's magnetized, and it says let your dreams blossom. This comes down. You have some marble paper down here. You could add a photo and do some journaling. And then these panels all open up like a little waterfall. So those open up. And then the last one has this pop-up, just like that. So that's what that looks like. Super duper cute. The only downside to this is that there really wasn't a lot of cut aparts in this collection, so I did what I could. I will show you guys the journal that I have in this envelope in a second, and this is a separate tutorial that I'll also have linked down below. The envelope tutorial is by me and the folio is by Rosa Kelly. So then this opens up like this. I have some of the journal cards that were in the collection here. I just didn't feel like there was a lot, so you could add a photo here, do some journaling, or do both. Same thing with this, and I just matted it to make it a little sturdier. And then there's like a little journal card right here. So I have those living in the pockets. And obviously you could add more to this because so much will fit in here. Then this journal opens up like this. It has a Velcro closure. And you could take out the journal that I created. And this cut apart is not from the collection. It's just one I had in my stash. But like I said, I had no more cut aparts. So that's what that looks like. It's a little journal. I love making these. I love how pink everything is in this. So it's like super cute. Here's just a little pocket. You could add some goodies in there. I have a vellum sheet. Then this has a top tuck spot. And I was just using up some scrappies that I had. There was this cut apart that says be lovely, be kind, and the recipient could always mat these and put them in the pocket, and she could add photos in here if she doesn't want them here. Here I made a little library pocket, and I didn't add a tag here, but I did add one to the top here. So it's just marble, and you could use either side. But I just have that living in that pocket up here, just like that. Then here's the next page. You could do journaling and whatnot, but I have one of these little, like, I don't even know what these are called, so I can't even tell you. Then some pink dyed paper I made. Here I made a little flip out, and there's a little cut apart here. And so I made this little flip out like that. And then that turns, and here you have a bunch of journaling right here. And this is one of the pages from the collection, and I really wanted it to be like a journal spot, and I thought it was really pretty, so I definitely wanted to use that in here. Then here you have another pocket and another tag. More pink dyed paper. This is the other side of that other piece. Pink dyed paper, another side pocket. Here it says cheers to you, and I just have it on some washi tape and it flips out. Then the back side has this journal card, just paper clipped on there. Then the vellum sheet, and then there's another pocket back there. So that lives in here. Isn't it so cute, guys? I love making these folios. I feel like that was the fastest flip through I've ever done because I didn't have to show you guys all the scrappies because I was using a brand new paper pad. It wasn't a collection kit. Normally I use 8 sheets double-sided. I don't know how many I used this time because it was a single-sided paper pad, but still a very cute project, and I wanted to share with you guys. So that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.